you earn $200 per ton. On a 25-ton container, your profit is $5,000.
In 2026, you can start a profitable import-export business with zero investment. Yes, zero.
And in this video, I'm giving you the complete step-by-step blueprint.
Thousands of people in Pakistan, India, UAE, and Bangladesh are already earning without spending a single rupee. Thousands of people in Pakistan, India, UAE, and Bangladesh are already earning without spending a single rupee.
So let's start with the biggest secret. Choose the right business model. The smartest trick is simple. Never buy the goods yourself. You only act as a middleman between buyers and suppliers.
Are 3 zero investment models that are working in 2026.
Model A is the order booking agent model.
You find buyers first, take confirmed orders, and collect advance payment.
Then you place the order with the supplier using the buyer's own money. Model B is the back-to-back letter of credit model. The buyer opens an LC in your name, and you open another LC for the supplier. The bank handles all the payments, so you never touch the money. Model C is consignment or drop shipping. The supplier ships directly to your buyer, and you earn 10–30% commission.
Next, pick a high-demand, low-competition product. In 2026, you don't need new ideas. Just choose what the world already wants.
Here are the top zero investment-friendly products.
Premium basmati rice, proudly sourced from Pakistan, now being shipped to the Middle East, the UK, and the USA.
Himalayan pink salt to USA and Germany. Bed sheets and towels to USA and Canada. Surgical instruments and footballs from Sialkot. Dates, dry fruits, spices, and lentils, always high demand. Avoid electronics in the beginning. They bring customs trouble. Here's the game changer. Always find buyers first.
Most beginners fail because they source first, sell later.
Smart traders sell first and source later.
Start with Facebook groups. Search for Basmati Rice Importers USA or similar.
Use LinkedIn and message importers directly.
Join WhatsApp business groups for traders. Visit local wholesale markets and collect visiting cards.
Use free platforms like Trade India, Exporters India, and IndiaMart buyer leads.
Even Google works. Just search product name, importers, country.
We are direct exporters of 1121 Basmati rice. The price is clearly listed and samples are available upon request. We also provide full, transparent lab reports for your review.
Once they say yes, take a 25-50% advance.
After the buyer pays advance, now look for suppliers.
Use free directories like REEP, PHMA, PFVA in Pakistan,
APEDA and FEO for India, and 1688.com for China.
Tell the supplier honestly that you have a confirmed order with buyer's advance.
Maintenance. And no truck wipe down. Most suppliers will agree because they have zero risk.
You don't need expensive documents to start export.
IEC code is free in Pakistan and only 500 rupees in India.
A simple current account is enough for all transactions.
All major bank charges are paid by the buyer, not you.
Let's understand the profit with a real example.
Buyer price is $1,200 per ton, and supplier price is $1,000 per ton.
You earn $200 per ton. You earn $200 per ton. On a 25-ton container, your profit is $5,000. Buyer pays $15,000 advance, and you pay supplier $12,500. Your total investment from your pocket remains zero.
After 2 or 3 successful deals, everything becomes easier.
Buyers start giving bigger orders.
Suppliers offer 30 to 60 days credit.
Banks give trade finance limits, even if you started with zero.
Always ask buyers to pay for samples. Never pay yourself.
Use free tools like Canva, WhatsApp Business, and Google Drive.
Work from home and save money in your first year.
Register your company name. It gives instant trust.
"2026 is the best year ever to start import-export with zero money.
Digital platforms have removed borders and made buyers more accessible.
If a 19-year-old from Faisalabad can export $300,000 without investment, so can you.
Start today. Send 50 messages to buyers right now.
Your first deal is only one yes away.
Zero investment. Zero excuses. Only execution.
Good luck and see you in your first export success story. Thanks for tuning in to International Trade Talk. We hope you found today's insights valuable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in global trade and economics.